Well, hello, Washington State Picker here once again. I have a lock pinned by Jeffrey Post. No date on that. It looks like my good friend Bronx Lock Picker 60 made these tags for him. Looks like Mr. Bronx Lock Picker 60 picked this on 5/18/18. Excellent. Excellent. So anyway, here is the lock. Right there. Keyway. The top's a little loose here. Kind of concerns me. I figured I'd pick this one on video. Okay, I'm trying to do it through the camera, pardon me. Key works really well. Little glitch there, not bad. There's the bitting. I'm going to try to pick this. I'm going to use I believe this is a Mad Bob's tension wrench. And a choice of a medium and long hook. If I need more, I have my trusty little everyday carry set right here. I'm going to try to get some tension on this bad boy. See if I can't get this picked. Start with the medium hook. And trying to go in the back and get a feel for it here. See, it's really hard to do through the camera. Felt like I got a little movement there out of the core. Not too much. Let's see here. Let me go ahead and reset it. I'm going to do my old rake default set if I can get the Bogota out. This is a, what is this? Dangerfield Praxis Bogota. Seems to work really well. They're quite thin, quite flimsy. If I'm real gentle with it, I won't bend it or break it. Nothing that time. Kind of a weird angle to be picking at for me, but see if I can do it. Felt a little give, but not enough. All right. Try the, is that the medium? Yeah, we'll try the medium hook. See what I can do here. A little bit. I can't see. A little bit of movement there. There, I got it. She is open. I can't see what I'm doing, but she is open. There we go. I'm going to try to turn my flash off here if I can find it. That looks like that's not happening. I'm not even going to mess with it. Got her open, Jeffrey Post. That was a fun lock, man. I will definitely be sending this off to somebody. If you're interested in trying this lock for yourself, go ahead and leave me a comment. And I'll just try to decide who I'm going to send it to. Move my camera over. I'm going to switch views. Okay, I'm back. I hope I didn't lose you. I'm going to be trying to edit this. I now have a editor program on my phone where I can add intros and whatnot. Try to get this thing gutted. Let's put the key in. See if I can do better than I did last night. I don't mind these kinds. These are these quick set, standard quick set knobs aren't that bad. I've been building a lot of quickset locks to sell, so I can just find my handy dandy tool I bought myself. Where in the heck did you go? I'm going to put you on pause for a minute. Okay, I'm back. I couldn't find the tool I wanted, so I'm going to use one of my very tiny, thin tip picks, and I'm going to get this thing little pin held down, if I can. This is very hard to do on camera. Let me point you down a little bit deeper here. There we go. And I'm left-handed, so you're going to be obstructed, and there's nothing I can do about that. I went looking all over for that quickset tool I tried using on yesterday's video, and it's now disappeared. Chalk it up as a ghost. I think this place is a little haunted anyway. There we go. Flat tension bar works a lot better. Got her off of there. Put you here. Pull you here. I don't want you right there. I want you in there. And that spring will just have to ride in there until I'm ready. Okie dee dokie. Turn you. My follower. And I'm pretty sure the follower is going to work better on this lock than it did on Bareback's lock yesterday. I am pretty sure of it. Crank you up a little more there. Put you here. Slowly slide you out. And yep, got her. Got her. I'm still out of view, aren't I? This is really difficult, guys. I don't know how you guys do this so well. Key pins. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key pins. Can you see? I don't know if you can. Where am I? I don't know if you can see. There's threading in hole number 2. Threading in hole number 2, and I'm going to try to get this flash on here. Didn't work. Okay, anyway, threading and pin in hole number 2. Oh, there's threading in all of them. Okay, it's just more profound in slot 2. Number 1. Ooh, that's a nice looking pin, Jeffrey. 2 is not coming out. 2, nice looking. Looks like a what do you call it? Oh, an old torpedo. Gosh, these are nice pins, buddy. Good job. So here, I'm gonna try to let you guys get a really good look at these, if I can. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm seeing. Here. Let me do this. Let me get you guys resituated here. I'm going to shed a little light on the situation since my camera's not helping. And boom. I'm going to pick them up in the tweezer and try not to shake too bad so you can see these awesome. This is a torpedo, man. This thing is beautiful. Oh, where are you? Can y'all see that? Zoom out. Come on. Anyway, I apologize. Once again, just got off of work. They held me late in the meeting. talking about nonsense, old stuff that didn't really matter. And, so I got home and wanted to pick another lock for y'all. Where am I? Where am I? Get in there. Hello. Okay. I lost it. Anyway, this little guy, quite unique. Looks like a half spool. See that? Focus. Focus, focus, focus. She's not focusing. There you go, a little bit. Half spool. Second one's like a serrated spool torpedo dealy bob. Really neat looking pins, Jeffrey. I don't think you're able to see these. From my view in the camera, you can't. This one's just a serrated. Only 2 serrations on it. Still nicely done. I don't know if you can see. Zoom. She's not focusing too well. And the last one's a standard. Now let's see what the top pins are. Okay. Come on. Quit shaking. Nice spool. That would be right here. I'll show you those. Oops, another nice spool. Thank God for weak springs, otherwise these would be flying out on me. I like weak springs too, especially because I didn't have a very good set of pinning tweezers till I ordered my Sparrows. Bronx Lockpicker 60. My mentor, where'd you go? Told me about them, and I tell you, I love them. Lost another one. Okay. Anyway, that was it. Anyway, let me dump the springs out. Got 1 spring, 2, 3. I got 3 out. The other ones, I see them in there. It looks like he threaded the top too. He did. He threaded the top too. You can't really see with my lighting, and my camera skills aren't that good. Tops are threaded. Here's these other pins. Got a nice nice serrated pin here. See that? Nice serrated. And then the last one, number 5, is a standard. Here, see if I can, I don't know if you can see this. I can't tell. Anyway, very nice looking pins, Jeffrey. Good lock. Good lock. Great challenge for me. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I apologize for my poor camera skills. When I first started filming, I had the actual flash on, and then I had to stop the film to find the tool that I couldn't find. Turned it back on, there was no flash. Couldn't find that function. Anyway, guys, first of all, Bronx Lockpicker 60, thank you for this cool pick. I'm going to need it to get these dang springs out of these threaded holes here. Thank you all for watching. Please like and comment. If you want this lock pinned by Jeffrey Post, it's a fun one. If you want this lock, give me a holler. I'll choose one of you. Anyway, thanks again. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I need all the help I can get here. Thanks a million.